Hi guys, I'm Shansha and in this video we're going to share with you how to make a beautiful ripple animation in your studio. So let's create a new project. In the settings.gradle file, add the following code to access the dependencies that you're going to use in this project. Then sync the project. In the build.gradle file, use the following dependency so that you can use the ripple animation in your project and also sync the project. Before we're going to make the layout file, at first we're going to use material theme in our project. We're going to use linear layouts instead of constant layout and give an ID and set the orientation to be vertical. Now it's time to use the library. Give an ID of the library. The RP color will be whatever you like. The ripple animation will be 4. Ripple duration we're going to set around 3 seconds. That means 3000. The scale will be 4 and the radius, RB radius, will be 32 dp. Inside this library, we can use the shape of an image view. And make sure you have absolutely given an ID for the image. And that's it. You have done with the layout. Let's go to the main activity and let's just have some code. Make a variable for using the viewBinding library. Set an on-click listener for the image view so that when the user will click on the image, the animation should start. And also set an on-click listener for the layout so that when the user will click outside the image, the animation should stop. And that's it. We have successfully made an awesome ripple animation. Run the app and don't forget to modify it for your application. For more this kind of awesome videos, subscribe the channel.